Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne and welcome. I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials, my giveaway videos, or my Dallas vlogs. Wow, I'm talking really fast today. Anyways, this look was geared and created for Valentine's Day. I also, with this look, paired my 3D Mink lashes, Olivia's. All the information on how you can get your pair will be linked down below in the description box. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.